Hi, this is another brief tutorial on configuring and using the PayPal Minicart in Serif's new WebPlus X5. We'll talk about the Minicart in UK currency as requested by Brucio, using graphic buttons and positioning the cart in the browser. Plus, as requested by username, we'll do a demo of your user's experience. So, let's get started. First, we're going to go to the e-commerce configurator, select PayPal, enter our PayPal email address, and then tick Use the PayPal Minicart. Okay, got our live PayPal account here. Now, here's the PayPal configuration screen for the Minicart. First, we'll make sure we've ticked Use the PayPal Minicart. Next, we're going to change the position of the PayPal Minicart overlay from right to left. And then we're going to offset it by about 10 pixels from the window edge, not the page edge. Next, we can configure some custom text. So we'll change checkout to something more interesting like get now. And click finish. Okay, so that part is done now. We've configured it. Now let's go see how it works. First, we're going to change US dollars to British pounds. So with our existing button, which is an Add to Shopping Cart form button, we are going to go to the item details screen and currency, change it from US dollars to British pounds. Then we're going to go back and change our Use Standard Text button to which we could only use in WebPlus X4 with the Minicart to one of the preset Add to Cart buttons. And this one, let's use a nice yellow one. Okay, that should take care of that. Now we'll just move through these other screens, and there we've got it. We have all the prices in British pounds instead of US dollars, and we have 3 different graphic buttons. Now, probably most of you will only want to use one style of button in your site. I'm just trying to demonstrate the possibilities that we have. Okay, now let's go check and see what we've got. Okay, now let's exercise the Minicart a bit. Oops. Yes, that's something new in X5 too, and it is called we've just added 3 spots to the shopping cart. Now we'd like 2 of him, so we'll go here and change the quantity to 2. And notice our button now says, instead of checkout, get them now. Okay. So let's add another item to our cart. This time we'll add Fluffy. And finally, we will add Sweet One, but we want 2 of her. I hope she doesn't mind being cloned. Okay, so now we see that we can make changes in quantity either right here in the Minicart Or as we saw with Sweet One, we can change the quantity on the page itself. And notice all the math is correct. Okay, no, we don't want Fluffy, so we'll just delete Fluffy. Okay. But notice the quantity hasn't changed here on the page. That's because the default is set to 1. But we can add Fluffy back in and then change Fluffy's quantity to 0. And you'll notice the change is correct whether we choose to alter the quantity in the box or just click the little X. Now, here's one thing to be aware of. The Minicart floats on the screen. Usually. Do you see how it's stuck to the edge and not to the page? I found that kind of interesting. All right. Now, let's add yet another 3-spot to the cart. You see his quantity is now 3, and his total cost is 300 pounds, and all our math is correct. So now let's go to checkout and see what your user experiences as they access the checkout page on your PayPal account. Okay, here we have it. 3 cats, 3 spots, and 2 Sweet Ones. Let's see how we can alter that. It doesn't seem like we can alter our order summary at this point. However, when we click into our PayPal account or use the credit card option here on the next screen in PayPal, we will be able to revise our order summary and remove items that we don't want and alter the quantity. Okay. I think that's all for now. If you have any questions, please post them either on the YouTube page or in the Serif forum at serif.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.